So I'm at Indian Springs, and I'm gonna try to hit North Summit, which is behind me. Hopefully I don't die. Just refilled water at the springs. It's somewhat early in the morning, 7:19. It's gonna be a fun day. I just put my gaiters and micro spikes on. Looks like it's snow for the majority of it. It's gonna be fun. Headed up there. I'm on this huge debris field from this avalanche that came down Timp this winter. And it's huge. Wow. Over there, all those trees are falling over. Still a long ways to go. Here's the first little climb of the day. All good fun in the mountains. There's the ridge way up there. It's lit up by the sun. Had to go around that little crack. Didn't know how far down it went. Didn't want to sink in and never pop back up. So I just changed into some long sleeves and put on bottom zips of my pants because I don't want to get sunburned. So it's I just walked towards the corner. I'm not gonna go over there. Yeah, it's starting to crack a little, just right there. That could have been bad, but dope view. There's the top. Hopefully I'll be going down that chute because looks like that chute goes all the way down, because I don't want to come down this because that looks like a pain to climb, but it's definitely doable. Just a pain. So I'm at the ridge finally. Some big cornices, it's pretty gnarly, but there's the peak behind me, just over there. I'm gonna go over there, but Timpanogos, you have a great view of it over here. There it is, the very top. I'm not going over there today, but I'll get it again this year. And that's a big cornice right there. Well, now let's try not to die. So I'm pretty much at the top here, and there's a lot of ladybugs. I don't know why. They're probably hiding from the wind. There's like millions of them at least. Not just here, but they're all along this little ridge right here. Kind of crazy. Hopefully I'm not sunburnt. That would suck. My hands look a little red, I might be. So I'm pretty much at the top. Top is just over there. So, yeah. That guy's gonna go any day now. Dang, there's a mailbox up here. Top of North Summit with Timpanogos. So after about like 50 minutes of just chilling at the top, I'm gonna start heading down. I'm gonna slide down
that right there. That'll be fun. Hopefully I don't die. Now I'm gonna slide down this. It should be fun. But yeah, I just don't want to scrape my butt on the ground, because that would hurt a lot, especially if I'm going fast.
Start sliding a little, see how fast I go. Hopefully. Whoa!
That's a rock. Ooh, it's getting steep up here. Ooh. Oh. Oh, that's getting real steep. Oh, don't die. That was fun. Now my butt is numb, which is a very odd feeling. I just have to walk down this or slide, depends how steep it is. Probably the best sliding conditions I've ever had, especially a bit right there going through that chute. There was a little bit of an avalanche, so it was kind of like a skate park. It was really bumpy, and I just like flew off some little ledges that the snow made. It was really fun. You know, you can slide a little more, but it's probably not gonna last long because, yeah, it's June, starting to melt. Cleared the gap with those two trees. Just been sliding down for the past 30 minutes. It's pretty fun.